What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about POCO X3 Pro and the POCO F3 which are being going to launch today. So in this video we are going to talk about its specification of both the phones and also the launch price of these smartphones. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel lately, then do it now and give this video a thumbs up. So talking about the specification, according to the leaks renders, and we know that the POCO X3 Pro and the POCO F3 will look alike and will have a former design similar to the POCO X3 with a center punch hole and the circular rear camera module. The POCO X3 Pro is expected to come with a 48 megapixel primary camera, although we know that the POCO X3 offered a 64 megapixel camera. The smartphone will be available in black, bronze, blue color options, and the POCO X3 Pro specifications are largely a mystery still now. It is also rumored to come with a 120Hz of smooth LCD panel and with a 5200 mAh battery. Now talking about the POCO F3 specification, on the other hand, it will look a lot like a Redmi K40. As it was being rendered earlier also, it will be identical to the Redmi phone. To recall its specification, we'll have a 6.67 inch of Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate. The device will be powered by a Qualcomm's flagship chipset, minor to the flagship chipset, and it will be a Snapdragon 870, which will be paired for up to 12GB of RAM in the smartphone. The Redmi K40 will sport a 48 megapixel triple camera setup and a 20 megapixel front facing camera. The phone will house a 4520 mAh battery which will support a fast charging of up to 33 watts. These specs are yet expected to be seen in the POCO F3 as well. Now if we talk about the pricing of both these phones, the POCO X3 Pro was recently leaked to an online European retailer which converts its pricing to 23,000 for the 6GB plus 128GB of storage variant. Now if we talk about the POCO F3, we don't have an exact word about the POCO F3 pricing, but we'll know that is for sure that the phone will cost near to 35,000 price mark, as it will be the flagship smartphone for the POCO series. Well guys, that's been it. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one.